Hello guys! Today, I want to show you how to apply silicone for sealing. The silicone must ensure a perfect seal between the bathtub and the wall. At the slightest defect, the silicone must be replaced without delay. To remove the old silicone, we first need a cutter with a new blade. With this one, we will try to remove as much as possible. You have to go through the same place several times until it penetrates as deeply as possible. After removing most of the old silicone, I repeat the operation with the cutter once more to clean the area as best as possible. After doing this, I will apply a solution to dissolve the hardened silicone and let it act for 20 minutes. We also do this step because it is very important that no old silicone remains at all. Clean as best as possible with a small scraper. Degrease the surface with alcohol, regardless of whether the joint is for the first application or when replacing the old silicone. I dry the surface with a hairdryer, and as you can see, I filled the bathtub with water to simulate the moment when it is used. We will leave the water in the bathtub for 24 hours after applying the silicone. I chose an anti-mold silicone with high elasticity. Apply the silicone with a continuous and relatively slow movement. Level the silicone with your fingers soaked in soapy water. Also in this case, the movement must be continuous, slow, and executed only once. If you consider this information useful for you, please leave me a comment and a like. Thank you.